here from OG Creations. It's time for another redo. In this video, I'm experimenting with one of my Pride 2022 tees. I'll link the video of Proud to the Core's creation in the details below. Initially, I wanted to use the Geode technique and see if the rainbow colors would pop through. You'll see that that didn't actually happen, but the outcome is still pretty hot. In an earlier experiment, I found that filling a large plastic tub with about 6 gallons of hot water and 1.5 cups of bleach and letting the shirt soak overnight worked perfectly well. The next morning, I dropped it into a 5:1 water to peroxide solution and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing in cold water. After it's soaked in a soda ash bath for about 20 to 25 minutes and then set for 12 to 24 hours until practically dry, I start to apply the dry dye powders. Here I am using Nebula Navy, Turquoise, and Peacock Blue. A foil barrier is used so ice can be added. I top the ice with more soda ash before setting aside for 24 hours. The shirt is then rinsed thoroughly in cold water, then ran through the washing machine using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. Even though I can't see the rainbow, it is totally and completely awesome. A rainbow turned into a water puddle. I post new content every Friday, so make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.